Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to repost a TikTok video on your Instagram story to let your Instagram followers know what you are interesting or watching on your TikTok. So the first thing you have to do, open your TikTok and find the video that you want to repost. And here I already found the video that I would like to repost from my Instagram story. And whenever you find the video, you need to take a look on this right side over here and just click this part. And there will be suggest you the way how to repost it, and you just need to simply click the stories. And now you just need to wait until the process is success. Will be bring you on the Instagram story, and now you just need to simply click add to your story and everything is gonna be done. So that's the way how to repost TikTok video on Instagram story. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.